I'm Malachi, and I'm with Little Big Venture to Taste As Foods. We're with my cousin and my little brother, and we're going to be tasting different fries from Sonic, Burger King, Jack in the Box, and McDonald's. Let's get into this.
All right, so we have our first contestant up. As you can see, plate 1, you see what fry it is. Plate 2, plate 3, and plate 4. So can he guess which fries are in each plate? All right, so your first plate, go ahead.
Wait, where is it?
Let me see your hand. Right there, first plate.
Okay. So like I'm a LeBron James of French fries, so I already know what this is. This is McDonald's.
All right, second plate.
Where is it? Is it right here?
Yep, right there.
And were these like curly fries or something? Like what are these?
No, they are not curly fries.
Jack in the Box.
Okay.
Is it right here?
So over just a little bit.
Right here?
Yeah, that's the third plate.
Wait. These are Jack in the Box.
Oh, so now you're switching it up.
Wait, so the other plate was what? 3, right?
So this is the third one that you're eating right now. So,
Okay, so the second one was Sonic.
Okay.
Where's
So
the fourth one?
he's switching it up, people. Go over a little bit. Nope, over. There you
Right
go.
here?
Yep.
Burger King.
All right. So go ahead, take off your blindfold.
What? Wait, I got them all right, right?
Yeah, but you did switch up. So these two, you switched up, but you did change, and eventually you did get them all right. Congratulations.
You know, guys, I'm like that.
Now we have the next contestant here ready to try to see if he can guess which fries are which. So we have Burger King, Jack in the Box, Sonic, McDonald's. So you have to tell me which fry goes to which restaurant. All right?
Okay, so.
All right, so the first plate. So over here. So this is your first plate. So you're going to test that first fry and tell me which restaurant it is from.
McDonald's.
Okay. All right.
Like it hard.
All right. Next one. All right. So nope. Next plate is over. So over here. So you're gonna tell me what place is this from?
Chick-fil-A.
Oh, Chick-fil-A was not an option, sir. We have McDonald's, Sonic, Jack in the Box, or Burger King.
Okay, try it again. Here you go.
This is from. Jack in the Box.
Okay, next one. So at the end, I'll tell you which ones you got right.
Okay.
So next plate, yep, that's your next plate.
I mean, are some from the same building?
Nope. So I put each one in its own plate. So you have to tell me where it's from.
I can't breathe in this thing.
Just pull it up a little bit.
That?
No, up. Yeah. Where's that? What was that one?
This one?
Yeah, what was it?
I need to take it out. Sonic?
Okay, and your last one.
Yeah?
Yep. Where is this one from?
I don't know.
She said she put in 80%. I really thought
What other restaurants?
So there are Sonic, McDonald's, Burger King, Jack in the Box.
This one from Jack in the Box?
That's from Jack in the Box?
Yeah.
All right, take off your blindfold. So the first one you got right, McDonald's. Second one is Sonic.
Which I got right?
You got that one wrong. Third one is Jack in the Box. So you make
I got that one right.
the last one is Burger King.
I only got 2 right.
All right.
So which two you got right? McDonald's and what?
So we have our last contestant up is going to guess to see if she can tell you which fry belongs to which restaurant. So remember, we have McDonald's, Sonic, we have Burger King, we have Jack in the Box. So you tell me which fry is which. All right, first plate.
Hard ones, burnt.
Oh my goodness, you and oh, that's a crunchy one. Why'd you grab a crunchy one? Grab another one.
I think that's McDonald's.
All right, second one.
What is this? Can I try again?
Mm-hmm.
I think that's Sonic.
All right, next one.
This is your first project, right? Any advice? Besides get out while you can? You don't have to do this if you don't want to. The only way I'm going to be able to go to college is by winning a Starfire.
Wendy's?
That's exactly what I saw.
Ma'am, Wendy's wasn't an option.
Oh. What are the things again?
Okay, so we have Sonic, McDonald's, Burger King, Jack in the Box.
Oh, I think that's Jack in the Box.
Okay, and the next one.
Burger King.
All right, take your blindfold off.
Did I get it all right?
Yeah, except for the third one being Wendy's. Yes, so you corrected yourself and then did get them right. Congratulations.
Guys, I know you loved that video. It was so cool. Like, we did so much things together. Bye, guys.
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that share button. Thanks for watching.